Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the Pet Simulator X Discord server. So just load up Discord and we wanna go to the bottom of our server list and then click on this plus icon right here where it says add a server. So from here what we need to do is where it says have an invite already, you need to click on join a server, and this is the server link for Pet Simulator X. You wanna type discord.gg/4x U, Q, E, K, and Q again. So 4x, U, Q, E, K, and Q again, and then you press on join server. And just give it some time. As you can see, this is the official Pet Simulator X server. So you need to verify actually. So you need to click on verify, and then I have a video on this, how you can verify with Rover, as a pinned comment, so just watch it to learn how to verify using Rover. And that's how you join the Pet Simulator X Discord server. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.